Hi everybody, welcome back to Tam Predicts, and this is yet another reading. Today I am going to do how is July going to be for all of us. Not all messages might resonate. Remember, I always say this is a general reading, and take what applies in your situation or whatever fits in your situation, and leave the rest of the messages that don't apply. Those are not meant for you. I'm also going to do detailed readings for water, air, fire, and earth signs. So right now, I just want to give a few messages, how July is going to be, or what things are going to happen to you in July. How's your health going to be? Your financial status, or anything else, your relationship status. So let me see. That starts with something nice. There is security coming in your life and a helping hand. I also get a water sign will give a lot of love to you. That's what I get. And especially somebody's name that begins with A, the alphabet A. So there's a lot of love coming in July. There's a lot of stability. I also feel there's a lot of financial stability through the person. That's what I get. And I feel a lot of, there are going to be a lot of emotions attached. If you're attached to a water sign or you're a water sign, so there'll be a lot of exchange of very loving words is the first message that I get in July. July is going to be a very good month for love. I really get that feeling. Any decision that needs to that will you waiting for any legal issue or anything that you think needs to be settled. July, probably you've already had a date that you got for a legal issue, or anything that's surrounding a legal issue. I feel it's not going to happen in July. I don't know why I feel that. It is a reverse card, but anyway, even if it was upright, I would have felt that holding this card, I feel any justice or any legal situation outcome, that I want to say outcome that you're waiting for, I feel it will happen after end of July. The moment July ends, you're going to get to know the outcome of your case, or whatever legal issue is there, it's going to be settled then. I really get July is not really the month for a lot of legal issues to be settled. Yes, like I said, I don't know why I feel that you are going to feel that your work is over in a place that you are in. Probably it's a job or it's a love situation. I feel you want to walk away, but you will think about the situation again. Uh, I'm getting a lot of water in July, yes, because it's going to be Cancerian. The Cancerian sun sign sits in July, so I get a lot of water sign. I also feel your work is still not done. You have to mend something in the situation that you are in. Guys, it could be a work related issue, it could be a love issue, something similar I'm getting. And I feel you're not going to walk away from the situation. You are going to mend the situation, you're going to repair the relationship, or whatever you can do to make things right in that situation, whatever particular situation you are in. I also feel that you think you've still not given that much to the job, or there is more work to be done in the job. It's not the time to leave this job and move to the next job. So I feel you will put in more effort. I feel the channel words that I get is that you guys are going to put in more effort in July, and whatever you put in July, the effort, the results are going to come after July end, is what I get. July 12th, after a lot of action will start, there'll be a lot of action in your life after July 12th. I got this card again. I'm telling you. Now, I don't feel July is a good month for any settlement of a legal case. Guys, it could be a legal case between two people, like a partnership, any divorce, anything. It's not going to be settled. I just want to say it's going to happen after July. Somebody really caring and gentle is coming in your life. I get the letters S, I'll get the letters M, I get the letters C, R, N, J. I also get F. I also get F. So these alphabets are going to come into your life. The names can begin with these alphabets. Guys, remember this is a general reading, not a specific reading. And these are guidances. So don't specially go out and look for people with these alphabets. Or if you really get along with the person, it's fine. But those are the alphabets that I get as channel messages. Because a lot of you will be listening to this reading. So always remember, do what is fine for you in the end. So whenever I do a personal reading, I always say these are the guidances. I think you should take this path, or you should go this way, or you should not do that, or what my sense is saying to me, or what my guides are saying to me. But in the end, I always say that do whatever you think is right, because free will is the most important thing, to work in a situation. Love situation. If it's new love will come in, but I get more in September end. And it will be a great, there'll be great chemistry between you two, but it's going to start around September end. And if you two haven't been getting along well, or you think the attraction is missing in the relationship that you are in, I feel things are going to reignite around September end. That's what I get. I also feel emotions are going to be very high in July for a few of you. You're going to be really emotional, and every decision you're going to take is, you're going to be emotional about it. It's not going to be really a head decision. It's going to be coming from your heart, and there'll be a lot of emotional moments. Is also what I get. I feel a lot of emotions while I'm saying this. So I really think your emotions are going to run high. Your hard work will pay off, but in Jan. So if you've been really putting a lot of effort, a lot of money in a situation, things are going to be okay. I think after this December, January next is going to be a better time for you. So whatever hard work you've been doing, like I said, money you've been putting, or whatever you've been doing, especially a business related situation, the results, will start to show up in Jan is what I get. Jan next year. Let's see what other messages do I have for July. July. Some of you need to release somebody in from your life, and this is the question you're going to be asking yourself, or you will be releasing someone. It is a negative situation. I feel a lot of codependency between two people. Also, taking a break for a month. I get taking a break from a job, maybe from a family member. I don't know why I wanted to say family members, from a friendship. It's going to be a time, you want to sit back and think about it, and I don't see a break away forever. I just see a little break, probably a time away from each other, to understand the situation better. Or maybe this time away from each other will do good to you guys. Take that card. Nothing is yet set in stone. So whatever you thought the outcome of the situation is, if it's going to, it's good for you or not good for you, I think still you can turn things around. I still feel, like I said, the work is not done here. You cannot leave in between and go, because I really feel your work is still not done here. There has to be something more that's needed to get done, in July. So things are not yet set in stone. So if you're thinking you're going to break off and move away, I don't think it's still, the outcome is like that. You can turn the outcome around. You can change it. What I get is the word change. You can change the situation. All it needs is your hard work, or whatever you want to do to transform the situation. I think still you do. I don't know why I want to say the words give up. Don't give up. I want to say don't give up. That's what's coming to my mind. Yes, and I'm going to use the romance angels. I'm going to give three messages. Three messages is what I get for romance angels from romance angel deck. Three messages, three love messages. Guys, when I'm looking away, I'm receiving messages. I don't get lost. Remember that. I need to. I need to think. I'm going to take the first card. Stay optimistic about your love life. So, guys, if you were wanting to walk away, I'm telling you, this July is not a situation of walking away, it's a situation of waiting. You got to give things a chance and stay optimistic. So, optimistic means also being positive, affirmations, the right intentions, sending only positive signals in the universe. Being happy, I feel like, the woman is very happy here, and she's offering prayers, affirmations, praying for the person to come into your life. Stay optimistic, guys. I don't know why I feel this is going to work. Even if you're going to take a break away, that break is not going to be for long. That breakaway or that separation is for you guys to come back together. That's what I get. Let's see the second card. I want to pick up the card from the top. Flirt. Somebody's going to flirt with you soon. It's somebody's already flirting with you, and probably you are not getting the hints. That's what I get. Yeah, that's the channel message I get, that somebody is flirting with you. You're not taking the hints. You're not understanding. Probably you're just thinking the person is saying those things, or the person is like that, and you're thinking probably the person is like a, has that player kind of energy, and is, talks that way with everybody. But I don't think that's right. I think the person really wants to flirt with you and really wants to, begin a relationship with you. I'm going to take the top card. There is deception for some of you. Just be careful, guys. I feel there was deception. Okay, I don't want to say in July there's deception. Somebody did deceive you, or did did hide. I also get masking his or her feelings for you. So I'm not going to say deception in that way. I'm going to say somebody did not express his or her feelings to you or lied about their feelings. You didn't get to know how they feel for you, is what I get. They were very good at masking, but I think it's not going to happen in July because those feelings are going to come out for you. I want to give a fourth message. I want to give a fourth message from the top. Deception again, guys. Please be careful. I'm going to see it both ways. Either somebody is wearing a mask in July, and you will know that you will have that gut feeling that somebody is not telling you the truth. Is hiding something, probably hiding something from the past, a past relationship or something. Hiding something. Let me see. I want to do one more card. One more card. Okay, give your relationship a chance. So if I feel I get two, three situations in it. I get somebody's deceiving you. I also get somebody's not expressing themselves. They are lying about their feelings to you. I also get if you are not giving a chance to the relationship, give a chance. Because the whole July reading is about not giving up, like I said. You cannot give up, guys. You're really close to your goal. You're really close to making this relationship work. And I don't know why I want to say that this relationship will work, is what I feel. Any other two, three messages that I want to give for this is just an overview of July. I just want to know how July is going to be. Take care of your parents is what I want to say for a lot of you, especially if either of your parent was born on 5th of any of the months. So I want you to take care of your parents. Okay, that's what I feel. I also feel you're going to make a decision. You're not going to give up on anything, but you're going to make a decision. You're going to choose between two things, and in July you'll still be choosing. August is when you announce what you've chosen. That's what I get. July, you're going to still spend time about choosing between two things, and you're not going to really announce. Is it two jobs? Is it two people, or is it between two houses? There is some kind of decision that is important for you. It's about probably moving to another country or moving to another state, another city, anything, or moving a house. So there is some decision that you have to make, and that's really sitting in your head right now. If you guys have been worried about your financial stability for a few of you till October, it's going to be a lot of hard work. It's going to be a challenge. Putting money together is what I get. You've been spending a lot of money, and I think money has not been staying with you. Your funds have been drying up. That's another worry that you've had, and probably it's difficult for you to feed your family now. That's the kind of situation I get in my head. Let me see if if your finances are going to be okay. July finances. I get this card again. Take care of your parents, especially if it's your parent is born on the 5th of any of the months. It's not a July I'm saying, but I get a five number, big five number. Somebody needs care. Yes. I feel till October you have to wait. Your finances will be better after that. I even get a September or October for a few of you. Especially a land deal will, help you make money. Something you'll sell will help you make money, or will bring you money in some way. It might not be a very big amount, but yes, it's going to make you feel secure. I want to say make a purchase. So if anybody wanted to purchase something and hasn't, bought whatever they wanted to, they've been delaying that buying. I don't know if it's a house or any anything that you were supposed to spend a big amount on. I feel make that purchase. Okay, July is good for those kind of purchases. Seven is also a good number for you. I get seven is a good number for you. But I also feel in July, don't get too dreamy, okay? Don't get too dreamy about whatever you're planning. Have be more practical is what I want to say. So I get two things. You're going to be very emotional and you're going to be very dreamy. So just be careful in July, okay? And you are going to purchase something, so be wise. Wherever you're putting your money in. Number seven, I said, is important for you. Something is going to happen on 7th of July. Yeah, 7th of July is a good day for a lot of you guys. Number five, like I said, number five. Number five is also coming up again in your reading. Number five. Any other numbers that I can give you guys? Few of you really want to go abroad. You really want to, really want to travel. I don't know if it's because your loved one is there or it's work related, but you're really wishing that now. I wish I could travel. Probably you're making plans. I know international flights are not on right now, but you've been really making a plan to move out of your country or visit somebody who stays outside your country. Let me see what last message I can give. No, I won't take the top card. Money is coming. Money will be coming to you. That's what I get. For a few of you, money is coming. I want to get a land deal. I don't know why I'm getting a land deal. You're going to land a deal in a land deal. So I think money is coming from land. I don't know why I want to say. You could also be an earth sign because I'm getting land quite a lot. I feel it's something to do with selling a house or buying a piece of land at a less price. Something to do with land. That's what I get again and again. Probably with earth signs it will happen. That's that's how I want to end my reading. Let me see. I want to give you charms or whatever colors that I always do. I want to give you a blue and a gold. So July blue and gold are good. These are these both are good colors for you. Let me see if there's a charm that I can take out. No, pink also has come out. I'm going to say pink too. So I'm going to give you three colors: gold, blue, and pink. They are good for you. So thank you so much, guys. This was just a July overview. Also, do subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and do comment. I always read the comments. I'll be back again tomorrow with another kind of a reading. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.